Our today's pride of India is Sushruta. Sushruta performs surgeries on nose, ears, bladder, cataract, fistula, joint, hemorrhage more than 2600 years ago with surgical instruments, but first known surgery performed on human body was mentioned in the Rig Veda, composed around 23,720 BCE, where a prosthetic leg was attached to a queen's leg so that she could walk normal and even participate in the war. Because of his seminal and numerous contributions to the science and art of surgery, he is also known by the title Father of the Surgery. Much of what is known about this inventive surgeon is contained in the series of volumes he authored, which are collectively known as the Sushruta Samhita, in which it describes over 3,000 surgical procedures and 120 surgical instruments and classifies human surgery in 8 categories. Cataract surgery was also known to the Sushruta in 6th century BCE. He did it with a special tool called the Jabamukhi Salaka, a curved needle used to loosen the lens and push the cataract out of the field of vision. The eye would later be soaked with warm butter and then bandaged. Though this method was successful, Sushruta can caution that cataract surgery should be only be performed when absolutely necessary. Green philosophers and scientists traveled to India where these surgeries were performed by physicians. Removal of cataract by surgery process was also introduced into China from India in later years. Removal of stones in kidneys and gallbladder. The earliest operation for removal of a stone is also mentioned in the Sushruta Samhita. This operation involved exposure and going up through the floor of the bladder. On the subject of trauma, Sushruta speaks of 6 varieties of accidental injuries encompassing almost all parts of the body. Sushruta also gives classification of the bones and their reaction to injuries. Varieties of dislocation of joints, that's these Sandhimukta, and fractures of the shaft, that is Kandabagma, are given systematically. He classifies and gives the details of the 6 types of dislocations and 12 varieties of fractures. He gives the principles of fracture treatment, that is, traction, manipulation, apposition, and stabilizations. Sushruta has described the entire orthopedic surgery, including some measures of rehabilitation, in his word. He was also aware of the urinary stones surgery of intestinal obstruction, perforated intestines, accidental injuries to abdomen, and certain surgical conditions of anorectal region, plastic surgery, and many of them. The Sushruta Samhita, written by Sushruta, which describes the ancient tradition of surgery in Indian medicine, is considered as one of the most brilliant gems in Indian medical literature. Thank you.